So today is going to be another Ipsy unbagging. This is going to be the second to last one for a while since I am not resubscribing. Just for a while. I'll probably, once I get a job and can pay for it for myself, I'll definitely resubscribe because I really love Ipsy. Ipsy unbagging has like a caution sticker for this one. I don't know. So we're just gonna open it. I already know what's in the bag because I look at the previous things just to see every month. I don't know why I do that, but I do. But this is the bag. Super cute. It's very like blue and heart shaped. Kind of reminds me of very Valentine's Day, but it's not for Valentine's Day. This is a card. This is November plan bag. This is Friendsgiving. Just about Thanksgiving and stuff. So here's the card. And then this is this side. So that's the card. Really nothing interesting. I always throw away the card. We're gonna start off with this dry texturizing spray by Oribe. I did get another sample when I went to Gem Beauty, so I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's just a dry shampoo. Yeah, it's pretty much a dry shampoo, but gives you more texture, so this is what it looks like. It's nothing too crazy. The cap and all. Just a sample size, and these sizes last me a very long time. I don't know about you guys, I have one big bottle of dry shampoo that has lasted me months. I don't use it that often. Next is this blush crush in the brand Lottie London blush crush in the color Zayn. So I was happy it reminded me of Wondershare. Really pretty. I'm gonna do a swatch. The color is kind of like a light neutral color, which is definitely great for this time of the year. I'm really not into the pinky tone. I'm more into very neutral. As you guys tell, we're doing a very neutral glow. Next, this is by Ciaté London. This is just their setting powder. It's very tiny. I really thought it was going to be really bigger. So this is just a setting powder. It just looks like that. It looks like nothing too crazy, but really good for travel. Because really with setting powders, you don't really use a lot. Next is a MAC product. This is a Strobe Cream Hydrating Luminex. So this is just like a highlighter. It's very small sample. And there we go. That's what it looks like. Strobe highlight, which is creamy, good if you wanna put in your bag. It's like a little glow. If you like my glow, if you guys don't know, I love highlights. And lastly is a brush. You know, I like my brushes. This is by the brand Beau. This is a eyeshadow shader brush. Foundation, you just use it to pat down on your eyes. Just look like this. Black and that. I actually just bought a very similar brush by e.l.f. But it's really good to have brushes. That is everything in my bag this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am very excited for all these products to try out eventually and to be put in future makeup tutorial for sure. So be on the lookout. There will be no Sunday video this week just because it is the holidays. And you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving if you celebrate it here in America. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, if you're like Canadian or wherever you are, I hope you have a great weekend. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you subscribe to Ipsy, let me know because I'm always interested who watches these and who subscribes to them. I'm always interested in knowing who actually uses these products and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, so that is all. If you do not follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Twitter and Instagram. Make sure you do so because I've been posting a lot, and if you guys miss out on a video, you'll know why I'm not posting. Okay? So I don't have to always explain. So be sure to follow me on 9 social media networks. So that is all, and I will see you guys in next Wednesday's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye!